Do you have any enemies? And if so, what would you cook for them? My name's Alana Johnston, and this is Food for Thought. Do you have any enemies? And if so, what would you cook for them?
Oh my God, enemies. Are we supposed to still have enemies as adults?
I think that's when you have the most amount of enemies because you've accumulated them throughout your life.
Okay, some sort of chili made out of their family, I guess is...
Probably something with a lot of garlic so they have really bad breath after.
Okay, great. And who are your enemies?
My students? No, I'm just kidding.
Oh my God! Wow, I hope they see this. Now you guys know. If you had any enemies, what would you make them for dinner?
Well, anything. I can't really cook, so.
Honestly, I'll be your sous chef. Happy to help out.
That's a tough question. I actually get this question all the time, and I do have some enemies, but I don't like having enemies, so I might make them something kind of nice, like a pie, an apple pie.
Okay, that was really cute of you.
Hot peppers.
Ooh, hot pepper.
I'd be like, here is some cold peppers.
Yeah, and then they'll be like, oh, great, thanks.
And I'll be like, "Mwah."
I would cook them toast.
And would you burn it?
I probably.
Richard, I'm proud of you. Way to get in there and have a signature burn.
Honestly, I don't think I do have any enemies. Not that I can think of. Maybe somebody considers me an enemy. Okay.
Just kidding. Oh, all right. I saw you look to camera.
I wouldn't say I have any big enemies, but if I'm going to have one, probably just chicken breasts, plain, unseasoned. They're not gonna like it.
Okay, but wait. You don't have any big enemies. Do you have small enemies?
Sure,
Oh, any names?
can't say.
I know, me neither, but I will post them.
It would be hilarious if I cooked them something good and snuck toenails in there.
Oh, God.
I don't know. I'd probably make them a pizza with like a lot of black olives on it. Cause like that's really gross.
Okay, well, I love black olives, so I'm starting to wonder if I'm your enemy.
No, you're not my enemy.
So you don't have any real enemies?
Probably not.
Okay, probably not. Wait, maybe you're somebody's enemy and you just don't know it?
Yeah, probably.
Do you have any advice when it comes to food?
Eat it.
Wow, original. Thank you so much, Hope. Don't forget to get in those comments and let us know your food for thought. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks to Blueys for having us. I've been Alana Johnston, and you've been a blast.